Good afternoon. Welcome back to the Life's Good. More importantly, welcome back to the refurbished pub under the stairs. Cheers. Oh, fantastic. I've been decorating and the pub under the stairs has had a bit of a facelift. And yesterday afternoon, early evening, we had an official grand opening. Have a quick look at this video, see what you think. Hi everyone, after a few days closure for refit, the pub under the stairs is finally back together, completely refurbed and ready to go. And the official opening is today, and we have invited Bob the Bunny to officially open the pub under the stairs. Is that right, Bob?
Yeah.
Tell your mum.
Really?
He said, let's declare this pub open and get on with it because he's fidgety. Cheryl's going to pour the first pint in the newly refurbed
Well, it's
pub.
a half pint.
It's a half pint. It's a glass of beer.
A glass of beer.
Glass of beer. Come on then, Cheryl.
I'm pouring it.
The first drink poured in the pub under the stairs since refit. Do you think you got a big enough head on there, Cheryl?
Yeah. Right. This is St. Peter's Ruby Red Ale. There you go, AJ.
In St. Anthony's, pub under the stairs. Oh, brilliant. The pub's open. We're going to share this one, I reckon. Take care, everybody. Thanks for popping in. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.
Say
Do you want
bye,
a drink, Bob? Do you want a drink? Beer, Bob?
Ooh.
Bob doesn't like beer.
No.
Bye-bye now. It'd be interesting to hear your feedback on that one, everybody. A mad moment yesterday afternoon with the celebrity Bob opening the pub. Now then, I wanted to have a quick chat with you today. Excuse me. Oh, absolutely wonderful. The Life's Good was originally just gardening, and we were producing fruit and vegetables and other things from the plot outside. But that led to coming into the kitchen and making jams, chutneys, pickles, that sort of thing, and the occasional meal. And so we ended up with the Life's Good in the kitchen as a playlist. And then, of course, with the fruit, we started making wine. And gradually, I introduced mention of the beer making. And that evolved into the pub under the stairs. So there are basically three aspects to the Life's Good. We've got the gardening, which is the growing aspect, and all that we do there. We're bringing it into the house and we're using it to make wonderful things, wonderful dishes and so on. And alongside that, we're producing the drink as well, i.e. the wine. And now, of course, we're introducing you to the beer making. Now, I know I have now got, what was it, last check this afternoon, I had 277 subscribers. And I am over the moon. Thank you so much to all of you. And I enjoy your comments and your questions. And I started to wonder, following a comment yesterday where somebody said they enjoy watching my videos but they're more interested in the pub under the stairs. And I know there's been some ladies subscribe who were particularly interested in the jam and chutney recipes, but not particularly interested in the growing aspect, and no mention of the beer or wine. So I just wondered, what exactly is it that people want from the channel? Now, I've got a lot of people following me because of the gardening. And I've got people now following me because of the pub under the stairs. As far as I am concerned, the Life's Good encompasses all of it. So I wasn't going to have a separate channel on home brewing. I wasn't going to have a separate channel on the Life's Good in the garden. And I certainly wouldn't consider a channel on the kitchen aspect. And as far as that Life's Good in the kitchen is concerned, I will probably not be putting on much in the way of sort of food recipes, i.e. how to make a chicken pasta or how to make a beef casserole or something of that nature, because that's not really linked to what we're doing here. I will, however, be putting on how to make a chutney using produce from the garden, how to make a jam using produce from the garden. And everything comes together under the banner or the umbrella, if you like, of the Life's Good. So what I was going to do was ask all of you what it is you would particularly like to see, either see more of or see less of. Any comments, any questions you have, gratefully received. I do try and reply to most if I can. But for me, I'm going to continue doing all of it under the umbrella of the Life's Good, as I said. Now, as far as the pub under the stairs is concerned, this is sort of newly introduced to the channel before Christmas. And I was hoping very soon to start from basics. So if you have an inkling that you want to make your own beer at home or have beer at home that you have brewed yourself, then I was going to start from the beginning and say this is the basic equipment that you need and this is how I make my beer and so on and so forth. And then we can go further into more technical equipment and everything's eventually evolving to something like I have here, where I've got 3 kegs in rotation. I've got buckets with beer fermenting, as well as the other end of the kitchen I've got wine fermenting, a rack of bottled wine that I have made in the last 12 months. So the brewing aspect is something I will be doing and I am bringing in and will help people hopefully to be able to produce their own beer at home. So comments and feedback basically is what I'm asking for. If you have anything you would like to ask me or suggest or ask me not to do or whatever, please let me know. So this basically today is it's a help and feedback scenario where I am asking all of my subscribers and indeed new viewers, if you like something that you've watched and you subscribe to my channel because of that something, and then the next video is totally unrelated, you might find that not to your liking. And I have lost a few subscribers over the year, so people have subscribed for one reason, realized there's not much more of that forthcoming, so they have unsubscribed, which stands to reason. That happens. So the Life's Good, we grow it and harvest it, we use it in the kitchen, and in addition we make beer and wine. And that's basically it, I suppose. Let me know what you want, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. Any comments, any questions would be gratefully received. I'm happy. My pub under the stairs is all newly refurbed. It's got little lights, it's got various little signs and mats and all sorts of paraphernalia in here in the corner. It's great. Of an evening, I've had a hard day at work, I pop in here, pour myself a beer. Happy days. And on that note, I'm going to drink to all of yours health. Cheers, and thank you very much for your support, watching my videos, and all your comments and questions as well. I love them. Cheers. Whoa. Well, yeah, just a few thoughts. So let me know what you want, and I'll do my best to fulfill those requests and to accommodate your needs. So in the meantime, look after each other. You be safe, you be happy. Please, please, please come back and see us again soon. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, hit the bell, all those things. And we look forward to seeing you again here. Not just in the pub under the stairs, but in the Life's Good. Bye bye for now. And this is where I find I haven't switched it on. Oh yes, I did.